谢发言人，总台央视记。
We noted that recently a few Western politicians and media claimed that China's economic slowdown may pose risks to global economic growth. What's your comment? We noted the relevant remark, and this is consistent with facts. The fact is that China's economy continues to recover, and that China is still an important engine for world economic growth. In the first half of this year, China's GDP grew by 5.5%, higher than the 3% GDP growth of last year, and the average annual growth rate of 4.5% during the COVID era is 3 percentage points higher than the US. The updated global economic outlook released by the IMF showed that China's economy will grow by 5.2% and will contribute to a third of economic growth in the world. The fact is that the Chinese economy steadily achieved high-quality development with a lot of highlights. Consumption played a larger role in driving economic growth in the first half of this year. Domestic demand contributed to 110.8% to China's economic growth, and consumption contributed to 77.2%. Industrial upgrading continued. In the first 7 months of this year, investment in high-tech industries, scientific research, and technology services increased by 11.5% and 23.1%. In the first half of this year, exports of EV, lithium batteries, and solar panels increased by 61.6%, demonstrating the strong resilience of China's foreign trade. Despite contracted foreign demand in the first 7 months of this year, China's share of export in the global market maintained roughly the same. In the first half of this year, China added 78.42 million kilowatts in installed PV capacity, accounting for over 50% of China's total newly installed power capacity. As we speak, sluggish economic growth, unabated inflation, turbulent financial market, and growing debt pressure pose a lot of challenges for all the countries. After China's COVID response shifted focus in a steady manner, there are some fluctuations in China's economic recovery progress. We will not shy away from those problems, and we are taking active measures to solve them. We have seen the effects lately. China has rolled out targeted measures to boost the private sector, promote consumption, and attract more foreign investment, which have been warmly welcomed by domestic and foreign investors. However, some Western politicians and the media hyped up the temporary problems in China's post-COVID economic recovery, and all this will be refuted by facts. China's economy is resilient, has great potential and vitality. The fundamentals sustaining the long-term good momentum of China's economy have not changed. We have the confidence, capability, and condition to fulfill the socio-economic targets of this year, open up new prospects for China's economy, and continue to provide dynamism for global economic recovery and growth.